Ba't kasi, diba, hindi protruding sa baba.
Ito maganda guys, conflict. Conflict is good for the vlog.
Yung sight line, conflict. Kasi if you...
Hi everyone, we're here at the Samsung Hall. It's a few days before Icon 2018.
We're doing our pre-prod and ocular for our event. You see the event? Ang laki, no? It's a big place at the Samsung Hall. We're gonna sit in about 1,000 people here on Saturday. So and we're close to hitting our target.
So if you haven't signed up yet, link is below for you guys to
last
register.
Few dozen slots available.
Yes. Now, just a quick interview with you. Market's still bearish. It's still a downtrend. Most mutual funds are down, VULs are down, index funds are down. The stock market, majority of the stocks, not all stocks are down, but majority of the stocks are down. What should investors do? Similar question to what was asked during our open forum a few days ago. They bought at a high price. They're there for the short term. What should they do?
Number one, relax, no? Well, if it's a short term, we don't see the market breaking the trend anytime soon. So if you're, to begin with, if you're short term, then maybe it's going to be a problem for you. But for long-term investors, this is the normal route that everybody goes through. So you have to be able to relax and stick to your objectives, stick to really waiting for the market to rebound. Now, if it's a short-term case, Marvin, what would you do? Cut loss?
If you're a trader, no, tapos it's relatively a big, the loss is big already. I think the chance for selling would have passed already. The technique kasi for traders is if you want to cut your losses, do it early. So yeah. Smaller losses.
But now it's too late.
I guess depends on what. It has to be very specific on what stocks you bought. No, but yes, if it's too late already and the margins are too big, think about it this way: if you lose 50%. For you to recoup that, you need to earn 100% more just to recoup the loss that you got in that trade. So, very, very specific. If you're just down a few percentage points and then mas madali mo siyang mababawi, it would be okay to sell as long as, this is what I always ask myself if ever cut my losses. Is there a possibility that it will go down lower? If it has a possibility to go down lower, okay lang kasi I'm protecting myself from bigger loss. Second is, meron ba akong malilipatan that can compensate for the loss that I have? So if I find an opportunity, kasi the problem is when some people sell, iniiwan lang nilang cash. So, sayang din. So if
investment risk always.
If you can't answer that question, you might as well hold on to it first. But
if it's fund-based, keep it kasi it's really designed for the long term. Fund-based, VULs, mutual funds, UITFs, any form that is pooled fund, I would recommend not to pull it out, not to redeem it, not to do anything with it, but really wait. But to begin with, you should, before investing there, you should have known that this is a long-term game.
But for those who have money, do you recommend already at this point in time? It's okay. Index is down from 9,000 levels to 7,600 levels. Do you recommend it?
In tranches, yes. Because there's no way for you to know the bottom. So you might want to slowly, and if extra money, you might want to slowly start putting in a little bit of this and that. It's scary to really wait for the bottom because nobody can predict the bottom. But the best way to do it is to do it in tranches. If the market starts to go up, then you're okay. And if it doesn't matter, it's okay. You just have to wait a little longer.
Let's add variables to it. They have 200,000 pesos. They placed 100,000. They're down 14% right now. They have 100,000 cash. How should they do it in tranches? Maybe sa extra 100 that they have.
Every 10 to 20,000, you must start slowly bringing it up. Just to make sure that you capture the ride going up.
So at this point in time, for mutual fund investors, it's okay already. They can put in
I think I do.
10-20%.
That's what I do, no? You're going to be able to start putting a little bit more of money, and you want to take this advantage that the prices are down, no? So, kasi laman naman ng index fund is really the funds are stocks, no? And a lot of the funds are blue chip based. A lot of them are. So this is a good opportunity to get to buy these kinds of stocks at a good price.
Meaning also blue chip based when foreigners start coming back in.
That's the first thing that goes up.
Those are the first things that they will buy.
So you see the index going up first.
Here's the thing. In most of the videos that we've talked about, we've highlighted farming, cryptocurrencies, businesses, etc. But for those who want to know more about mutual funds, what can they expect from Icon and what can they benefit from it if they're a paper asset investor?
Well, naman to understand the ideas of planning, doing objective-based, and have a better understanding of where the market is. There are going to be speakers that are going to tackle on ability to build wealth And using funds is one way. It's not the only way. It's not it might be but it's one of those ways for you to be able to build your wealth.
Okay, but should they be concerned now that their yields are not as attractive because the market is down? Is it a concern for investors?
It really depends on your investment objective. If you're to retire this year, then you should be concerned. But if you're retiring in 5, 8, 10 years, that should not be a concern because the markets will always gyrate, but it gyrates going up over time. So it's an issue of time.
Okay, so for those who are coming, we suggest you come early this Saturday because if you will be relatively late, you might go through the bleachers. It's a first come, first serve basis on the seats.
Yep.
Any last words for mutual fund investors?
Investors in general, you have to understand that you always have to invest according to your objectives, and you have to be prepared. Your risks should all be consistent with the investments that you make, and just be patient. Building wealth is not done overnight. And see you at Icon.
All right.
Important.
See you. So that's it.
Last few slots available, so take this opportunity. We might have to stop accepting reservations already.
So Icon, we will kick off the morning. Randell Tiongson, Anaquisha, cryptocurrencies. Wilson Flores about property investing.
And the main man.
Then I'll talk about stocks, and we have Mylene Lopa in the morning as well. Then afternoon, you have Shansi, digital entrepreneurship. Carl D, hotel management, property investing. Then you have Aaron Say, First Metro Securities, talking about the stock market also. Then after that, you have
our panel.
Oh, panel, yeah.
Panel of young entrepreneurs, investors. No, it's this is Marvin's not going to be the youngest in that panel anymore. So we have a guy who's into farming and technology together. We have Jairus Ferrer. We have Denise Cacanando. She's an artist, a businessman at the same time. And then we have
Marilyn Montenegro,
model turned businesswoman.
Right, so
that's good.
Then we will cap everything off with
two great speakers, two icons. The icon of icons.
Rex Mendoza and Dodong Cacanando.
And then I'll come in to end the program as well.
So that's it. That's the entire program for Icon 2018. I hope you guys enjoyed it. The team is really there. They're really working hard to make it possible and for you to have an amazing experience. So see you all.
Samsung Hall.
Yeah.
SM Aura.
Registration starts
here by
7:30 a.m.
7:30.
Doors open 8 a.m. So you get a good slot and a good seat. So Randell, you'll be able to talk to Randell Tiongson
and Marvin
live. All right. So
bye-bye
everyone. So that's it. Hope you guys have a great experience this Saturday here in Icon 2018. And regardless of the market's down, I hope that you guys know what to do. You guys have a plan, and you guys come in without using your emotions. That logic will take precedence over everything. That your buying decisions will be based on either technicals or fundamentals, and that you do not panic. The only time you lose when you invest is when you panic. You lose. So that's it for now. Hope this video helps you trade well, trade strong, trade smart. See you all again this Saturday for Icon 2018.